Hello, Assalamualaikum. It's me, Indar Mom of Iran. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a backpack. This is inspired from the Among Us figures. But before I start, as usually, please support my channel by give me your thumb up, share, and leave your comment below. Thank you. Okay, let's get started with the supplies. These are for the main exterior 2 pieces, and for the main interior we need 2 pieces. Next, these are for the bottom exterior and interior, and these are for the recessed zipper. And this for the foot, and I will put some zipper on it. And these are for the pocket, zipper pocket as a visor. Let's get started with the making of the zipper pocket. Put the midpoint of the panels in line, and then put pin on it or clip. And sew all around the edges. And this is how I manage the zipper. Put the right side together from the zipper and the main exterior, and then put the lining or main interior on it, the good sides together, and then flip it out and back stitches. Do the same for the other side. And this how I put the zipper on the foot, so it will has a pocket on it. Please pay attention on the direction of the slider on puller before you sew it. And for the pocket, I add some bias tape on it to cover the raw edges. So all around. And then prepare the strap. And this is how to make the cassette. Just join the recess zipper with the bottom panel. This is how I join the main exterior, the front part with the cassette. Just start the pinning for their midpoints, and then we just can adjust all around the edges. Repeat the same process with the back sides, with the back panel to the cassette. And now time to put the lining on it, and we may start from the back or the front. The technique is similar with previous. You just put in the center or midpoint on each panel, and then clip it or pin it, and then we can just sew all around. But don't forget to let some part unsewn, so it will be used as an opening to turn the inside out. Of course, we have to make a snip or make a small V before we turn the inside out. Repeat the process for another lining. Okay, now we have to make the opening close. We may stitch it with the hand stitch. I stitch it with my back stitch. And if you wonder how to make a back stitch or another kind of hand stitching, you may watch my previous video. I already make a video tutorial about 12 basic hand stitching for hand embroidery. Okay, our bag is ready now. Please support my channel by subscribe, leave me your thumb ups, leave your comment below, and share. See you on my next tutorial. Have you enjoyed your day? Have you enjoyed your creation? Assalamualaikum. Bye.